Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the question paper what we had yesterday. Okay, so we had assessment yesterday, and the questions are 15 given here. The first question here is at the end of the town. At the end of the town, the country mouse went back to his country. At the end of the town, the country mouse went back to the country. That's the first answer. The house of the town mouse was, okay, answer is the kitchen cupboard in the town. The kitchen cupboard in the town. The country mouse arrived in the town. What is the meaning of arrived? Okay, the meaning is got to a place. Got to a place. B is the answer. Match the following: handkerchief, gateway, firewood, sunshine, birthday is the last one. Okay, once again: handkerchief, gateway, firewood, sunshine, birthday. Okay, fifth question. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. The country mouse lives in a town. It is wrong. Country mouse lives in a country. కానీ నేను టౌన్ అని ఇచ్చాను. దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. ద టౌన్ మౌస్ లివ్ the town mouse like to eat raw food. Okay, it is also wrong. Town mouse like to eat cooked food, not raw food. Both are false. Next one. Read the poem and ask the following questions. I live in a town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lamps. What? Okay, where does the town child live in a town? Where does the town child live in a town? The answer is street. In the street. What is the meaning of traffic? Lorries, buses, motors, trams, aeroplanes. That's the meaning of traffic. Next one. What is the meaning of feet? People walking there. People, it's okay. Walking people also? Okay, people. Feet means people. What is the wish of the town child? The wish of the town child was he want to have meadows. Okay, he wished to have meadows. He want to have meadows or wish to have meadows. Both right. Next question. Kumar Nitya is the dash student of school. New student, old student, both new and old. Answer is old student. B is the answer. Kumar Nitya is a dash. Software engineer, mechanical engineer, aeronautical engineer. The right answer is software engineer. He nibbled at the root and sugar cane. What's the meaning of the underlined word nibbled? Nibbled means took a small quantity of food showing slight interest. Took a small quantity of food showing a slight interest. What is the meaning of affectionately? The meaning of affectionately entante children, lovingly. That's the meaning. Okay, last question. Okay, now children, let's go back with one exercise. That is 7th class grammar, page number 11. Second exercise, read the following as directed. So already the before exercise we completed. Where to use may, where to use can. Okay, that we had. So here children, related to that we are having this exercise. The boy seems to cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. So this you have to write, express this, okay, using may. You have to use may. The boy seems to cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. Rewrite the sentences using may. So how to write this sentence here children? The boy, here you have seems to, okay, so it is used for expressing, okay, expressing the boy seems to cry if you do not, and this is telling that if you do not buy he will cry. So this is showing that if you don't buy he will cry. So this is showing In the place of that you can take may. The boy may cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. So what changes we made here, children? Only seems to is removed because this is showing that if you don't buy, he will cry. He seems to cry. So this is expressing, okay, he will cry that if you do not buy. So in the place of that, they are telling us express this using may. So in the place of this here, children, we took దీని place లో మనం may తీసుకున్నాం. He may cry if you do not buy. This is an example. You can use my camera if you need. Giving permission using may. Giving permission. So here, children, they are asking us to use may, but here you have can. So they are asking may. Remove this can and bring may. Okay? You may. So in the place of can, we took may. They are asking us to use giving permission using may. You may use my camera. You and I. So you may use my camera if you need. What are the changes we made here, children? Nothing. Can is there. They are asking us to give permission. If you want to give permission, okay, you have to use may. They only said may. So we used in the place of can, we used may. Okay. Next one here is he seems to be a nice man. Express this using again may. So here he seems to be a nice man. What is telling here? This is telling he seems to be a nice man. We don't know whether he is a nice man or not. He seems to is telling. So they are asking us to express using may. So what you have to do is here, children, in the place of this, you have to take may. Remove this and take. He may be a nice man. So full stop. So we used may here. You want to leave the class now? This is a little confusing like, but listen to me. Okay? He want to leave the class now. Taking permission using may. Whenever you want to take permission, you are in the class, you will say, may I go for recess, madam? May I go for water, madam? So when you want to take permission, compulsorily it should start with can or may. But here they are asking us to use may. So bring may first. May I go out, madam? May. Okay? May. So here, children, you want to is removed. Now this will come this side. After that, since this is removed, this came this side. In the place of want to, wherever is to, you are taking before word kuda teeskuntunnamu. Want to ni place lo may teeskunnam. So here this will come this side and you will go this side. So start with may. Okay, so may ikkada undi kabatti deeni beginning teesukocham. So we started with a capital letter. You will go this side and change into I. May I. Want to place lo may. You ante singular. You ante okallu. Malla I తీసుకున్నాము. It is also singular pronoun. May I leave the class now. Finished. Only here, taking permission here, may, children, you have to use may. That you should use it in the beginning. If you want to use it in the beginning, here want to place lo may will come first. You will come this side and change into I. May I leave the class now? Okay, we have one more sentence. We'll go with that and then close it for today. The last sentence, this is also a little critical like, Raju wants to use your water bottle. Raju wants to use your water. Raju wants to use your water bottle. Here, giving permission, using may. You have to use may here also. Now here children, when you write this sentence, this is a little confused, like that will go this side and you will come this side and change into I. Here they gave us the answer. Yutho they started here children. Yutho, fifth one. Yutho it is started, the last sentence. You means Raju. Okay, Raju. They are asking us to use what children? May. Giving permission. Here wants to. In the place of wants to, you take may. You may use. You may use. You means nuvu. Your means nuvu. So you can't say again your. You may use your water bottle. Your bottle. You may use. You means nuvu. Use my water bottle. You may use. You may use. Your means my water bottle. My water bottle. You may use my water bottle. Here children, your changed into my. Okay. Raju changed into you. You is already given there. So you don't need to write. So Raju means you. Wants to means they are asking us to use may. Use. Your means my. My. Water bottle. If you need. This you have to write. You may use my water bottle if you need. If you need. This is also you got additional question. So the sentence should be complete. You may use, you may use my water bottle when? If you need. That also you have to mention. Okay. So I think you understood this children. Copy this and practice. I sent you in WhatsApp. Practice in your English notebook. Thank you.